We have our second secretary, Lisa C. Braun. We have our first treasurer, Zahia Gaston Sams. And we have Zalani Gaston Sams as our second treasurer.
I solemnly swear or affirm to discharge to the best of my ability the responsibilities of the office of the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People in accordance with the Constitution and bylaws and the decisions of its governing bodies. I dedicate myself anew to its principles of equity and justice under the law. I shall always try to keep the goals of the National Association of the Advancement of Colored People above my purely personal or individual interests that might hinder obtaining these goals. I ask for the continued help of Almighty God in keeping this pledge. For the purposes of signing this petition, one must be a current member in good standing at the time of the meeting. If you affirm, say, I will. I will. You may lower your hand and put your right hand.
It says, dearly newly elected officers of DeKalb County NAACP. You decided to take this mantle of leadership within the National Association of the Advancement of Colored People. We're excited. Your ambition and zest for this organization mission is truly commendable. You have now become a part-long legacy of community, activists, and leaders that have created positive change for both Georgia and our country through this esteemed organization. It is my prayer that you all stay encouraged throughout your respective terms.
You will face challenges and obstacles in your path, but please know that this is a normal part of leadership. Take each obstacle as an opportunity to grow and learn and break barriers within your local community. Do not be afraid to rock the boat. Let no one discourage you or silence your voice because of your age. Every one of you is qualified to lead your respective unit and peers within your community. Do not take this position lightly, as each of you have the power to make considerable changes for your family, classmates, and friends.
Please do not hesitate to reach out to me if you need the state conference support. We will back you on whatever initiative you choose to pursue. DeKalb County desperately needs your fresh perspective on social issues afflicting the county. I have complete faith in you will carry out the mission of this organization with excellence. State Advisor Brown and I are beaming with pride and celebrating with you in spirit. Much love, peace, and empowerment. Genesis E. Hollis, Georgia Youth Council and College State Conference President.